Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing of this Morovan solid builder gel set. It's starting off as an unboxing and then it will take a turn for the worse, but wait until we get there. So far we have, bubble wrap. That was number one. Number two is a plethora of colors, not that deep. 6 different colors of this builder gel, all nudes and whites. In this box, they also give the top coat and the base coat, which I'm showing right here. Also, they give the wipes for you to clean your nails, so nail cleansers, a shaping tool to make, flowers and whatnot, the nail, are they forms? You know what I mean, the little plastic things. And then these are the clips that you can clip on your nail when you do put the forms on. They also give a nail file and a nail buffer, very helpful. A tool, a little scrapey tool, and some forms that you can put the builder gel inside and put it on your nail, as well as a UV light. So that came in clutch, and some instructions that also came in the box. The intended use for this video was for me to show you and do swatches, but when I was trying to open up this thing, I lost a nail. I literally lost a nail. Like, WTF. The disrespect. Yes, the disrespect. So, since we're already unboxing, why not put this nail back on? I actually got the box maybe like a week or two before I did this video. So the nails that I have on right now are probably like a week old. So they're a little beat up, I ain't gonna lie. But we're gonna put this finger back. So we're gonna start off by dehydrating this thumb using the Model 1 kit that I had previously. So dehydrate the nail. I'm not gonna buff, I'm not gonna do anything like that. I'm just gonna move on because the nails I have on are already kind of old, so I just wanna have this make me last a few days before I actually take everything off and start fresh. I'm gonna add the base coat. You can see here. And then when I'm done with the base, I'm going to put that under the UV lamp and let that cure for like 60 seconds. I always do it until the lamp turns off. That's just my preference. This hard gel is one that you can use with your fingers, which is super easy, super useful. I don't use the forms because me and forms, like I've said in my other video, we don't get along. So I use the tap method and just form the nail with my hand. The fingerprints do go away. The gel just, self-levels itself out and none of the fingerprints show up. You just have to make sure it goes away before you cure the nail. So that's what I'm doing. I'm just forming it. I didn't make it perfect. Like I said, I just needed my nails to have an actual nail on it at this point since it decided to pop off. here, if you look really close, you can actually see the fingerprints start to like level out of the gel. And then once that happens, just cure and the nail is all set. Good to go. One and done. Now I'm going in, just filing it out a little bit to make the corners a little bit better. Gonna wipe off the sticky layer with some 70% alcohol and then apply the top coat. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you like, subscribe, all that good jazz. Support your girl. Alright, I'm not a professional by any means, but I like to have fun and have fun with me. Alright, bye.